Oh my god, I think everyone has enough internet these days. The puppies mistook the cat for their mother. The mother is shocked, but the cat doesn't seem to mind. The cat thinks he's a real special agent and is showing off his skills to his owners. The touchy-feely really doesn't like being touched. He makes it clear with his whole appearance that he's against tenderness and affection. Red is already old and doesn't appreciate the games of the young and playful dog. He wants a calm and carefree life.